In my previous video, I mentioned a very annoying or interesting thing in China is that we translate literally everything into Chinese. I mean, now I'm living in Thailand. In Thai, for example, computer in Thai is computer, but in Chinese is 电脑. ATM in Thai is ATM. In Chinese is 自动取款机. Adapter, like the adapter of the computer or TV, in Thai is adapter. In Chinese is 电源适配器. When it comes to coronavirus, the situation is the same. Coronavirus in Thai is coronavirus. In Chinese is 冠状病毒. COVID-19 in Thai is COVID-19. In Chinese is 新冠肺炎. Hello everyone, welcome back to ShuoshuoChinese, 说说中文. I'm Shuo, your native Chinese speaking teacher living in Bangkok, Thailand. Today we're going to talk about a global crisis, coronavirus. I won't spend much time on explaining the epidemic situations recently because I think all of you have seen it on TV or on the internet. In this video, I will directly give you some useful and related words in Chinese, and you are going to tell me the situation in your country with the words you've learned in this video. So without further ado, let's get it started. The first word is 冠状病毒. 冠状病毒. This is what we call 冠 corona. When it means corona or hat, it pronounces 冠, the first tone. When it means champion, as in this word, 冠军, it should be pronounced fourth tone. 冠. Sometimes, actually really often, you may hear Chinese people saying 冠状病毒. They're actually mispronouncing this word. This is one of common mistakes that made by Chinese native speakers. Some other similar mistakes include 气氛, atmosphere. Many Chinese people will say 气氛. 炸鸡, fried chicken. Many Chinese people will say 炸鸡. And this word 尽量. To do one's best, you may hear your Chinese friend saying 尽量. So if you hear your Chinese friend saying 气氛, 炸鸡, 尽量, or 冠状病毒, don't doubt yourself. You are the person who pronounced correctly. Now let's go back to this word 冠状病毒. 冠, corona. 状, as in the word 形状, it means shape. 病毒, virus. So 冠状病毒, coronavirus. And we use this word 感染 to infect, as the verb goes with 冠状病毒. So you can say 很多人感染了冠状病毒. 很多人感染了冠状病毒. Or 老年人比较容易感染冠状病毒. 老年人比较容易感染冠状病毒. Now let's see this word. 新冠肺炎. It's short for 新型冠状病毒肺炎. New type coronavirus pneumonia, which is the name of the disease. So if somebody infected coronavirus, they catch this disease. And the verb we will use is 得 to catch a disease. So you can say 很多人得了新冠肺炎. 很多人得了新冠肺炎. Here's another example. 如果你得了新冠肺炎，你可能会发烧、咳嗽，也可能什么症状都没有。如果你得了新冠肺炎， 你可能会发烧、咳嗽，也可能什么症状都没有。This word may be a new word for you. 症状 symptom. 症状 We've already know how to say infect. 感染 Now let's see how to say disinfect. 消毒消毒消 means eliminate, as in the word 消除. It also means disappear, as in this word 消失. 毒 as in the word 病毒 virus, or on its own it means poison. So eliminate poison or make the virus disappear is 消毒 disinfect. And this little thing you see here is called 消毒洗手液. 消毒洗手液. When talking about coronavirus, this is really important. This one is called 口罩. 口罩. 口 means mouth. 罩 means to cover. And the verb to wear is not 穿. Instead, we need to use the word 戴. 戴口罩. 戴口罩. And the opposite word of 戴 is 摘. 摘口罩. 摘口罩. Now, can you tell me what should you call this little thing here? Yes, 眼罩. 眼罩. 戴眼罩. 戴眼罩. 摘眼罩. 摘眼罩. Whether to 戴口罩 has become a controversial topic recently. Many Chinese people believe that 戴口罩 can decrease your chance to 感染冠状病毒. But from the videos and news that I saw online, many people from the West don't seem to care much about wearing a mask. What is the situation in your country, and what is your personal opinion? Feel free to tell me in comment down below. Next word, 隔离 to quarantine. 隔 means to separate or partition off. 离 as in this word, 离开 to leave. So 隔离 to quarantine. An example sentence is 如果你刚从中国回来，你应该自己隔离14天。如果你刚从中国回来，你应该自己隔离14天。The last word is not directly related to coronavirus, but I guarantee you it will be really useful during this special period of time. This one is 取消. 取消 to cancel. So you can say 我的航班取消了。我的航班取消了。Or 政府决定取消这次活动。政府决定取消这次活动。These are all the content of today's video. Try to use all those words that you have learned in this video. Only by doing this will you understand those words better. If you feel this video is useful, hit on the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my future videos. I'm Shuo from 说说中文. I will see you in my next video. 再见。